How to make images move on ClipChamp. Well, hello everyone, welcome back into the channel. On this video today, I'll guide you through the steps on how you can make images move on ClipChamp. Well, the process is simple, so let me guide you through. First things first, what you can do is you can go ahead and simply import media that you would like to add it to your video. So I have this image here loaded up already. So I want to go ahead and add it, right? So I want to add on top of the video that I already have the image so that it's not covered. So here you can see, I'll extend this. So you can see here image, right? Now what I can do is I can use the filters option and use green screen to add this image here. Now how I can make this image move, right? Now there is no any such option within the ClipChamp itself. But what I can do is suppose I want to start this image here and I want to end it here towards the bottom. Then you want to zoom in, right? Then frame by frame, you want to crop it bit by bit part. You want to trim it, sorry, split it, split, and then go ahead and split again, and go ahead and split again, and go ahead and split again. Then next thing what you want to do is you want to go ahead and head over to the part and select the next frame here down below, right, a bit down below. Then head over there and select it again a bit down below, and then head to the next splitted video and take it down below, and again to the next one and further below. Now once you do so, all you got to do is go ahead and play it. You can adjust it frame by frame. This is the only way that you can create the moving image, that you can make images move on ClipChamp. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe.